Hi, I'm Muskan. I'm 2016 pass out from GLBians Institute of Technology and Management from IT branch. I was campus placed in 3 organizations named Capgemini, Infogain and Prolifix, and which in turn I joined Infogain only in 2016, and I worked there for 3 years. Currently, I'm working as SDED in Deutsche Telekom, Digital Labs in Gurgaon. And coming to my college journey, it was amazing. First year was packed with so many rules, so many regulations, but which in turn turned me into a responsible and a more mature person. Those long tiring lectures, the mass bunks, the big college playground, sitting there bunking lectures and everything, and who can forget that the grilling boot camp sessions to train us to get into an organization which turned me into a professional, like I'm sitting here. And since we, after so many years, we got a chance to meet everybody, so why to miss that?